Tomatoes are my absolute favourite plant to grow, and whilst I've had some pretty epic disasters with them over the years, I have learned a few top tips that I'm going to share with you today. When you first plant out your tomatoes, then bury the pot that they come in next to the root ball. This way you can get the water directly into the root without getting the leaves wet. As the plant grows, I've removed the lower leaves off the plant right up to the first branch of fruit. This allows airflow around the base of the plant, which is going to keep them healthy and avoid disease. Feed the plant every 2 weeks and water regularly. Irregular watering can cause the skin of the tomato to split. Now, the best time to eat a tomato is on a warm, sunny day straight from the plant. At the very least, allow tomatoes that have been refrigerated to come up to room temperature for maximum flavour. When they're this fresh, all they need is a sprinkle of salt, a dash of black pepper, a teeny drizzle of oil, and they're perfect. Pinch out side shoots regularly to keep the plant upright, healthy and strong, and they'll be absolutely perfect.